bad. I want to use it so bad.
Nick, move out of the way!
Okay. It's just a video.
Nick, can you go ask him if I can use it first?
Man, that's closer than you think.
Bring the truck with you.
Oh yeah, guys, stay low and slow. Whee!
Later. Okay. I love driving those things.
I don't know. My uncle has a gas powered one.
Even gas power so fast.
Yeah, this one only goes 35.
Knew this, but I've driven in one of those before.
And it went fast. You did?
Yeah.
Full speed?
Oh yeah, my uncle has one that's as big as a drive-on.
No, I've even been in one.
You've been inside that tiny thing?
No, inside of a real huge one. They're so fun. When you jump them.
Oh God, you jumped it?
Yeah, I jumped
You drove it by yourself?
No.
Oh.
I can't drive yet. I'm not 16.
Who wants
But for those, you have to be like 21 or something.
Yeah, these ones you have to be 13. So you can
Who
swim.
wants to do this here?
Me.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Ah! Do it again. Do it again.
That's
Hey,
it.
come on, Top God. Burn it.
Yeah, you don't want to get hit by that.
I know.
Nicholas has already been hit by one.
Who wants to stand like
Hold on. I'm gonna get a clear shot of this. Go. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna go in the back of it. You'll see like everything fly.
Jump it. Over there.
Oh, yeah? You guys just sit, squat right there then.
Hold on. I need to get the video.
Okay, the big
Nicholas, do it again, but you squat right there. You!
No, he needs to do it over there. He's doing it over here. Get.
Better move.
Yeah, I don't know. That didn't work. Because you hit the cone.
Let me try it.
Hey, you don't hit me!
That's his house.
Okay, people.
3, 2, 1. Beep, beep.
She's got the penis.
You want my dad? Say, come on.
3.
She's got that walk. She's got the dog.
Shush.
Okay. Then put down.
And under that dress, she's got the penis.
Okay, move. Oh! I don't know if you saw that, but it was in the right-hand corner. That was so awesome.
I saw it. Do it again, Nick.
He got a penis. Oh yeah, guys, you want to see the dirt flying? Let me get it.
Guys, go slow.
Stand here.
No, you go closer. Right there.
Okay.
I'll stand right next to you. I'm right here.
Guys,
Go. Do it.
Dada, come.
no! I didn't get this video.
Go closer. You have to go closer.
She got a penis? You guys are crazy!
Check it out. Ready? Oh, yes? Okay, bring it back.
I've gotten hit by a rock with that.
Come on, go back right there.
Oh god.
Dada.
I'm getting shots of this.
Awesome! That felt so good. Like, so good. Do it, Nick. Nick, it feels so good.
Yeah, I've done it before.
Oh!
Nick, come on, stand right next to me.
I'm not
It's
gonna
fun. Ready, guys? Go. See, it doesn't
That
hurt.
hurts.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, the first time you guys did it, you said, ow. Yay, now you got my screen up there.
She's got to be this.
Oh, don't do that. I just took a shower last night.
Yo, bring it!
Stand here.
Oh, God. I wouldn't do it if I
Full
did.
force, go. That didn't hurt.
Oh, my God, dude.
Do it again!
No more. I'm making a video, you know this, right? And it's going to be more than 6 minutes.
Do it. Do it.
I'm going to move.
3. Oh. Nick, that wasn't funny.
No.
3, 2.
God. Stand like this.
Again.
Oh, God.
No. Full force. Speed ahead.
Do it by just.
God.
And I'm putting all of this on YouTube. Ah,
Be careful. Oh yeah.
told you you said.
Now keep saying it feels good. Just dirt, no rocks.
Hold on, can I get a tour of this thing? Okay. I'm just gonna zoom in. It says Chip Check as well.
Oh, bee! There's a bee! Oh God, you're chasing me, seriously?
Nick, don't do that, because remember what happened when your dad did that?
You go, Tori. Oh, full speed.
Guys, are we doing other things?
Easy.
That thing can spit up rocks. Go on. I wouldn't know. Don't stand there. No.
Me and you, Nick. Me and
Don't do it. Nicholas will cry.
No, he doesn't. Because she says it feels good.
Full speed ahead. Go. I said go.
You go as far away. Yeah.
Full speed ahead. Go. Didn't hurt.
The spit everywhere, and then just
Wait, I want to do it.
flipped.
You got it.
Hey, hey.
Nicholas.
Hey guys, do any of you want to see the whole course?
No, when is later. Go ask him when.
Hey Nicholas, can you do the course for everybody? Hey, can you do the course for everybody? The whole course, no cheating.
She's got the penis.
No, don't forget.
She's got a penis. Nick. Nicholas. 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 Look. She's got the penis.
Are we going to do?
She's got the penis. Nick. She's got the penis. She's got the penis.
Okay, then close is good. Sorry, I'm supposed to go pee.
Stuck? Dude, you just ran it over. He just ran the stick over. That's supposed to be in the ground.
Hey guys, is that the woods or like where bears and all deer live? Is that the woods?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I don't live near woods. Go. Oh can get the final shot. Go.
Go.
Full speed.
Full speed ahead. Go.
3,
2, 1, go!
Nick, you're not gonna make it. It's dead.
No, it's
Oh
not.
no, it's not. Nick, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do the jump. 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 Jump.
Jump, jump, jump. Do it. Hey, Lexi, I get to do it later.
Oh, do it again. Do it again. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I didn't get it. I didn't get
You're
it.
not chasing me again.
Daddy? Daddy? Natalie, Dad?
Hickory dickory dock. The clock struck 1 and the spy was done. Mallory is really crazy and has a big head on the screen. No, it's on the screen. I thought I zoomed in. What?
Don't.
Okay, bye everybody. And it's only been 11 minutes
Charge.
and 30 seconds. Bye.
Long time, but
Guys, say bye.
Daddy has 2 batteries. Bye!
Mallory, say bye. Mallory, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. And I'll see you in the next episode. Subscribe if you haven't done so.
So all you have to do is change the battery and it's done?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Change the batteries if I can do it.